Hi, my name is Adam. I want to tell you about my code. I want to tell you about my code. The first thing I did is that I printed the title of my code, and it says my calculator. The second line that I wrote is for loop, and I told it to repeat it 10 times. Then I made a separator to separate each code from each other, and then I told the user to put the number 1 in the input. And then I told the user to convert it into an integer. Then I told the user to choose which operation he wants to choose. Then I told the user to put number 2 in the input. And then I told the user converted the number 2 into an integer. Then I wrote an if statement. If the operation is addition, then it printed number 1 plus number 2 equals number 1 equals variable equals the result. Then I did another if statement. Subtraction to print subtraction. And then I told the code to print number 1 plus number 2 minus number 2 equals the answer. And then I did another if statement about multiplication. And then I printed number 1 plus number 2 times number 2. And then the answer. Then Then I did the if statement, division. Then I printed number 1. And then I did the other if statement. If number 2 is not a 0, print number 1, operation number plus number 2, and divided by number 2 equals equals answer. Then I did the other if statement. If number 2 equals 0, print cannot divide. Now I'm going to test my code. Now I'm going to write example of a number. Let's say 7. Now let's say division. Now let's say 35. Now I'm going to do another number. And then the multiplication. And now I'm going to use, let's say, subtraction. Let's see the answer. I'm done. Bye.